Hi, I'm Rick Vespa from English Gardens here with a few fall gardening tips. Tip number 1, get planting. With the cooler temperatures, right now is a great time to care for your garden and plant for next year. Temperatures are mild and rainfall is usually plentiful, making it easier to establish new plants. Plus, root development increases naturally in the fall. Consider planting broadleaf evergreens, shade and ornamental trees, shrubs, and perennials. Now is also a great time to plant cold crops like lettuce, radish, spinach, and mustard greens. And remember your spring flowering bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. You can plant them right up until the ground freezes, usually mid-December. Tip number 2, fertilize and maintain. Give spring blooming trees and shrubs an extra boost of fertilizer so they produce better buds and more flowers next year. Broadleaf evergreens like boxwood, azalea, and rhododendron will benefit from an application of slow-release, soil acidifying fertilizer like Espoma plant tone to keep them healthy throughout the winter. Maintaining the garden is crucial. Remove any fallen leaves and debris which can harbor pests and diseases. Continue to keep beds weed-free, deadhead perennials, and do some pruning. You can add a 2 or 3 inch layer of mulch to beds after cleanup to get them ready for winter. Finally, review your garden and make note of any changes you'd like to make so you'll be ready for the next season. Tip number 3, keep up with watering. Continue to monitor how much rainfall is received in the garden. Supplemental watering may be necessary to keep plants healthy. Use your finger to check the soil and water when it's dry to the touch. Keep watering until the ground freezes, usually mid-December. And tip number 4, update your landscaping and porch pots for fall. Consider adding new trees and shrubs with great fall and winter appeal to your landscape, like a maple, red twig dogwood, burning bush, or viburnum. Cold-tolerant annuals like pansies, aster, cabbage, kale, and mums will add a pop of fall color to your porch pots. You can even incorporate fall branches and berries for a festive look. For more information on transitioning your garden from summer to fall, visit any English Gardens location to talk with an expert. I'm Rick Vespa, making your life beautiful by making gardening easier.